If I told you that by adding just a few simple techniques, you can dramatically improve your AI lip syncing accuracy and realism, would you believe me? Today, in this video, I'll be sharing a few tips and tricks I picked up down my AI journey that will help you add more depth and realism to your AI lip syncing results. Hey, what's up? This is Tim AK coming to you from Windwalker Multimedia. Adding lip sync to a video tutorial or a storytelling video can raise your creation to new heights, making a great video even more epic. Many creators struggle with making their AI-generated characters look realistic during speech, often leading to a disconnect between the audio and visual elements. Creating good lip sync videos can be a daunting task. Prompt refining and endless generations to see your vision come to life can be draining, both emotionally and financially. With all that being said, let's dive right in and get this party started. All right. This is our beautiful model for today. Say hi, honey.
Oh, CO, I am Luna.
Luna is an upcoming character in my video series called The Windwalker Chronicles. I'll talk a little more about that later. Anyway, I thought, first of all, before I get to the nitty-gritty, I would show you the results of what I got, and then towards the end of the video, I'll reveal my little secret. It's a pretty simple secret, and you're going to be surprised and probably laugh. So I used 3 different lip sync sources for this test. First of all, I used Sync Labs, and then also Hedra and Runway Gen 3. They seem to be 3 of the best, excluding HeyGen, which I didn't review in this one. Maybe someday I'll do that. But I'm going to show you the results of each one by one, and you can see the difference. Okay, this is a side-by-side before and after of what I ended up with in Sync Labs. Right off the bat, you can tell on the after, if you look at the face, especially around the nose and the mouth, the eyes as well, the image is quite a bit sharper. The teeth are in line and the lips are more defined. Even between like the nose and the lips, that area there is like a little more defined. So I'll go ahead and run this a few times so you can check it out and see the difference.
Oh, CO, I am Luna, from the Windwalker Chronicles. Join Coda and myself on his journey to becoming the Windwalker of legend. Oh, CO, I am Luna, from the Windwalker Chronicles. Join Coda and myself on his journey to becoming the Windwalker of legend. Oh, CO, I am Luna, from the Windwalker Chronicles. Join Coda and myself on his journey to becoming the Windwalker of legend.
So, as you can see, there's a vast difference between the before and the after. And by the way, in case you're wondering, OCO is hello in Cherokee. Okay, next up is Hedra. First, I wanted to say that Hedra is far and above way better than Sync Labs. So the difference between the before and the after may not be quite as much as what you see in Sync Labs, but there still is a difference.
Oh, CO, I am Luna, from the Windwalker Chronicles. Join Coda and myself on his journey to becoming the Windwalker of legend. Oh, CO, I am Luna, from the Windwalker Chronicles. Join Coda and myself on his journey to becoming the Windwalker of legend. Oh, CO, I am Luna, from the Windwalker Chronicles. Join Coda and myself on his journey to becoming the Windwalker of legend.
So here in the end frame, we can see that the before isn't too bad actually, but there are some artifacts that transferred over into the after, so that's AI for you, you know, it's not perfect. Anyway, I still prefer the second one because the face is still more defined, and even though there's a little space in the teeth there, that could be dealt with in another program if I really had to, and it bothered me that much. So last but definitely not least, we got Runway Gen 3. As you can see in the first frame here, both of them look pretty stellar. I notice in the after that the face is a little wider. I'm not sure what's up with that. I'll get to that later maybe. But still, in the end, there's still an improvement over what Gen 3 has to offer, and I'll show you that right now.
Oh, CO, I am Luna, from the Windwalker Chronicles. Join Coda and myself on his journey to becoming the Windwalker of legend. Oh, CO, I am Luna, from the Windwalker Chronicles. Join Coda and myself on his journey to becoming the Windwalker of legend. Oh, CO, I am Luna, from the Windwalker Chronicles. Join Coda and myself on his journey to becoming the Windwalker of legend.
So there you have it. Those are my results. I think this trick will probably work on any software that does lip sync, if I'm not mistaken, and it'll improve it somewhat. I guess in the future I'll find out because I'm still going to keep trying new things and see what I can come up with. So before I let the cat out of the bag, I thought I'd share a short story with you if you got about a minute. Years ago, I had this dream and it gave me an idea for a story that I wanted to tell. At the time, I really couldn't do anything about it because I just didn't have the resources and I didn't have the money, so I just left it sitting in my head for years and years. And finally, now with all the advancements in AI technology, I figured it was time that I was going to try and actually make this story become a reality, which is something I wanted to do for most of my life. So after a lot of trial and error and a draining bank account, I came across LTX Studio and that got my hopes up. Although the results really I wasn't happy with, I was just happy to actually have a trailer out and I figured I would just improve on it as I go. And then I found Runway Gen 3 and that changed everything for me. And I did the lip syncing thing and I'm like, wow, this is pretty freaking good. But it has its flaws and it led me down another path of trial and error and more money to figure out a way to make it better. So, long story short, that's how I discovered the big secret on how to get better results. So, here it is, the big reveal. Wait for it. All right, here we are, my secret weapon. This is a website called cart.ai, and this is the face swap tool. So a couple cool things about this website and this tool is you can do video and image face swap. Also, you can save up to 10 face models that you can use as avatars for consistent characters. So if you're looking for character consistency, CArt is a great place to start. And as you can see, I got 3 for Luna here. This is what I use to improve my results. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a quick as I can walkthrough of the process involved here. And by the way, bonus, I dug up some HeyGen footage from a while back, and I'm going to use that for the template to show you the process here. First off, you have to choose whether you're going to do a video or an image face swap. We want video. Then click here on Custom Template. You'll then be taken to your computer directory where you can choose which file you want to use to do the face swap. Also note here that when you choose video, all you'll see is video, and vice versa when you choose image. So this one is us, Luna talking avatar, HeyGen. Alright. In the next step, you have to choose your source model, which will be the face you want to use for your character. So next you want to head over to the right side of the screen to the Select Face button. And we'll click on that button, and again you'll be in your directory for your computer where you can choose the face model you want to use, and it'll save it in one of the 10 save slots. And now you just click in the middle of the picture and it'll bring it up to the process window. Then all you need to do is press the blue generate button at the bottom. So that's it. It's all over but the crying and the waiting. And more waiting. So here's what I ended up with at HeyGen. There's a little bit of head morphing, but overall there's still a little bit of an improvement, especially in the face. So I'm going to run this for you real quick like I did in the other examples, just so you can see what's up.
Hi. I'm Luna. I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hi. I'm Luna. I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hi. I'm Luna. I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.
With all the examples I've shown, I think I prefer the Runway version with the CArt enhancement on it. I'm curious to know what you think. Hit me up in the comments section and let me know. So the big takeaway from all this is that although it's not perfect, it definitely improves on any of the generations that I did. And all in all, using my technique, along with more dynamic human body and camera movement, you can greatly increase the impact of a scene. A good case in point to this is the intro to this video. I purposely started out with a more static scene and then started doing camera movement and then body movement to make it more dynamic, just to kind of show that with more movement, it just makes more of an impact in the scene. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you find this useful in your lip syncing future. If you'd like to see more of my lip syncing work, check out my other YouTube channel, The Windwalker Chronicles, The Way of the Windwalker. And stay tuned for more AI tips and tricks videos in the future. Thanks for hanging out. Peace.